Hey, welcome back to Free Software Tips. So today we'll be showing you another video tutorial on how you can fix the Unity has failed to load the Windows layout. And this happens in a loop, and whenever you try to load the default settings or layout, it will never be able to load up Unity itself. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, we're going to open up Explorer. Then on the address bar, type in here %appdata %, and then locate the Unity folder. Click on the Unity folder. Click on the editor version which you have here. For example, I have the editor-5.x. Click on Preferences, then open up the Layouts folder. Go to Default, and you'll be able to see here this WLT files right here, and find the last layout.wlt file, and then rename this one to last layout.wt.all. We're not going to delete it just in case we need to restore it back, and open up the default.wt. If you have Notepad++, you simply edit it with Notepad++. However, you could also open it with Notepad. Go ahead and open it up on Notepad and select all the contents that is placed on the default.wt file, and then minimize this file right here and also this one, and then open up your Unity Hub application, and then select this icon right here and click on Show in Explorer. It will show you the directory or the files of your project, or the project that doesn't open up whenever you try opening it up on Unity. Just simply open up that folder and go to Library, and you'll be able to see the current layout-default.wt. Right click on it, click on the Open With. Again, open it up with Notepad++, or if you have only Notepad, you could also do that one. And then just simply paste the copied file which we have just copied a while ago on the default.wlt file on the app data or roaming folder of Unity. And then just simply save this configuration file, and it will reset the file, or it will reset the default layout for your Unity project. After that, you can now go ahead and try opening up your project, and hopefully that would fix your problem. So thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to leave your comments and feedbacks down below, and also like this video for more helpful tips. Till then, see you again in my next video.